If you have a patina truck or a patina classic car or a rat rod and you want to seal in your rust, what we do is usually we seal it in with a wax or an oil. A lot of people, for years I've known, have always used Morris Anchor Wax. However, it is quite expensive. And recently I was introduced to Owatrol Oil. Owatrol Oil, oh my God, it's fucking brilliant. So I done my entire rat rod with it, and it's fully panelled, right? It's nothing's open. It's got arches, it's got a bonnet, it's got the whole lot. And I used half a tin of this Owatrol oil, paint conditioner and rust inhibitor. Now it doesn't colour the metal, it doesn't change anything. I brushed it on. I did slap it on pretty thick. In fact, I put it on a bit too thick in places, but I've used half a tin, and it's half the price of the others on the market. It's an absolute bargain. It's really good. Initially, when I first put it on, the car was like really shiny for a few days, and I was thinking, oh shit, I don't know about that. It looks like it's been dunked in a deep fat fryer, and I wasn't too sure about it. And then I did a little post about it, and Owatrol messaged me themselves and said, "Old fire, you need to give it like 12 to 14 days to actually fully mat off." So I did. I waited patiently, and to be fair, within a week, the first 7 days, it was already completely matted off. You'd never know it was coated, other than the fact, obviously, it wasn't orange and dripping rust everywhere. And it's fucking brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. I would absolutely 100% massively recommend Owatrol oil. It is really good. If you want something for your rust, or I mean, you could probably, I suppose you could use it in other applications for rust and stuff, you know. But obviously, what I know and what I use it for is patina jobs, like genuine, real patina, and rat rods. So I know if you strip your car back and you unicorn piss it and you want something to coat it with afterwards, this would 100% be the thing I would use. Absolutely fantastic. It's flowed out really nice. It's all absorbed into the metal. It's completely matte. Absolutely fantastic. Don't forget to like, share, and comment and subscribe if you're interested in hot rod and rat rod sort of stuffs. I've got all sorts of stuff in there, the restorations, reviews, all that sort of stuff. If you're interested, hit that subscribe button, show me some love. Toodle pip. See you in a bit.